Ah, man. Still don't get it.
What don't you get?
Debit and credit.
It's okay. Your friends from DW Accounting got you covered.
Debits and credits represent values, categories of which all transactions and values can be placed under.
Now, there are some things you need to know about where debits and credits are placed. When managing debits and credits, you should make note that debits are always on the left and credits are always on the right for all accounts.
So how do you do that?
In accounting, debit means left and credit means right. The beginning value of an asset account is debited on the left, whereas the beginning value of a liability account and owner's equity is credited on the right. When recording transactions, an increase to owner's equity and liability is a credit and a decrease to owner's equity and liability is a debit. On the other hand, an increase to an asset account is a debit and a decrease is a credit. Assets is something a company owns that can provide future economic benefits, whereas liabilities is your company's obligation. Owner's equity is the difference between total assets and liabilities. You can find owner's equity by using the equation assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity.
Both debit and credit are affected whenever a transaction occurs. When a transaction occurs, changes must be made in both of the accounts. All account changes in a single transaction must balance. This is known as the double entry system of accounting.
Now I get it.
Lastly, there's expanding ledgers. The purpose of expanding the ledger is to provide essential information about the progress of the business. In expanded ledgers, there are 4 types of entries: capital, revenue, expenses, and drawings. Capitals is the owner's investment in the company. Revenue is the profit the company makes. Expenses are money spent by the company, and drawings is money taken by the owners for personal use. An increase in capital and revenue is always credited and a decrease is always debited. On the other hand, an increase in drawings and expenses is always debited and a decrease is always credited.
Oh, now I get it. Thanks, DW Accounting. You're the best.
Thank you, DW, for satisfying my accounting needs.
I like DW Accounting. They do all my work at a great rate and price. They're always fast on it. I love them so much.
DW Accounting have been my go-to accountants for 3 years, and I wouldn't pick anyone else.
Thank you, DW Accounting, for helping me on my accounting needs.
DW Accounting got you covered.